So after taking a nap, we woke up at 11 p.m. I guess we're still jet lagged. We couldn't sleep. So we just hang out by the balcony to check out this view. Look at that view. So this is the view from our balcony. Is Bastille Day. You guys see a lot of cops because today is Bastille Day here in Paris. They're gonna have a parade. They're probably setting up, right, mommy?
Right.
So we're awake. We're up early, trying to catch the worm. Not allowed here? Okay, merci. At this point, we were trying to get to Champs-Élysées to hopefully view the Arc de Triomphe from there, and also check out what's going on in the area before the Bastille Day parade. Fortunately, all roads toward that way are all blocked off. But that was not our initial plan anyway, since we were just tourists and we just wanted to see the important landmarks of Paris. So we just roamed around the streets of Paris and enjoyed the surroundings. It's like ghost town in Paris on Bastille Day, especially in the morning, because it's their national holiday and they're all gearing up for that night celebration party along with the fireworks, I guess. tower this early morning. We're here on, I don't know what street we're at, but here it is. Here's another angle and another view. Pwede na pala tayo dito dumaan.
Voilà, so we come late. Yep, thank you. Merci, thank you. Okay. You can put in this table what you want, so it's portable.
Back at our hotel.
That is it. It's 8:38 a.m.
We're back. We just ate. We're gonna rest for a little bit, and then we're gonna head out again. Thank you. Pullman Hotel. We're gonna go up. This is the lobby. There you go. Ayan, pero patabi natin. Yeah. Yun pala yun.
Ito naman, nagawa na natin sa USA.
De Montmartre à Notre-Dame, un monde entier sommeille. Un premier rayon de soleil illumine les quais de Seine. Une pause, café crème, on se remet de la veille. Il n'y en a pas de pareil, le Paris village s'éveille. Dans les bistrots, les cafés, on n'en finit pas de flâner. C'est le Paris cinéma, celui qu'on aime, toi et moi. De l'île de la Cité à Saint-Germain-des-Prés, un monde entier sommeille. Mais au premier rayon de soleil, le Paris village s'éveille.
Yes. We're tired already. visiting the Pantheon here in Paris. Bastille Day in Paris, and we're here at the Pantheon. Bastille Day. Are you getting also? Yeah. Today is Bastille Day here in Paris. It's gonna be a party later on. We got our stuff already in here, some chips, and of course, got my vitamin. Ready. I know. Right now, we're gonna go check into our hotel, but before you get in, you have to have a wristband like this. If you don't have a wristband, you can't go inside. Well, we got one, so here we go. It's a party up there. You go, Matt? Happy anniversary, man. I love you, baby. Cheers.